Now let's find the unknown angles and sides by using two sides that are given to us. So we saw a question earlier, right? And in it we actually had an angle and a side given to us, so we could find all of the other requirements, all of the other sides and all of the other angles using those, right? Or remember that we're dealing with right angle triangles, so there is always one angle of 90 degrees that is always there. So we talk about all the other things that are available to us. So you have these, you need to find this angle, you need to find this angle, and you need to find this side, right? So let's see. Now I think I've denoted these a little bit wrong, so let me just make it a bit clearer for you. We know that alpha is 90 degrees, right? And beta is the angle at B, and gamma is the angle at C, right? So this is beta and this is gamma. So we know that cos beta, the cos of this angle beta, is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, so 5 over 10. So you can, since 5 is AB, so AB over BC. We know AB is 5 and we know BC is 10, so you can find beta by taking cos inverse of AB over BC. So 5 over 10, cos inverse of 5 over 10, so cos inverse of 1 by 2, and that gives you 60 degrees. So now you know that beta is 60 degrees. Now you know that sine of the same angle beta is the opposite over the hypotenuse, right? So we already know that the hypotenuse is 10 and the opposite is AC, right? And just to make it very clear how that happens, this is basically, this was B, this was C, and this was A, right? This was 90 degrees. We found out this angle is 60, and we know that this is 10, and this was given to us as, I believe, 5. Yeah, AB was 5, so AC is unknown. So you can find AC by taking the sine of the 60-degree angle, so that would become AC over BC, and that would be AC over 10. So now you can just do the cross multiplications. We know that sine 60 from the table is under root 3 over 2, and so now AC is equal to 10 into under root 3 over 2, which is 8.66. So now you have this as 8.66. So all you're left with is to find this angle gamma, right? And that is very easy to do because you know that the total sum of the angles inside a triangle is 180 degrees. We already know the two angles are 60 and 90. So simply you subtract the two angles you know from 180 to get gamma, which gives you 30 degrees. So now you have all of the information required and you've solved the right angle triangle.